Hello everybody, today I'm going to test new Kärcher K3. I have to put it together at first and then let's try it for the first time. Here is everything as I left in the first video. Let's take everything out and put everything together. I think there is a few screws. Four screws, that's everything needed to put everything together. Looks like that. Tank for detergent. That easy. One click and tire is in the place. Okay. This is somewhere here. Okay. Okay, this is also on. Also like that, nothing very difficult. And this is here. Everything is now in the place and we need those four screws here, and I need a screwdriver. Okay, we got the screws and screwdriver and four holes. Okay, this is ready. Now we continue to attach our other parts. This is for hose. This is here. Then here is 6 meters long hose, quickly attachable. 2 and this is going in here. No experience before, but okay, yeah, this is it, and this is for fixation. This is ready, and on the other side there is gun, and this is fixator. Let's try to put it in. Okay, this is ready, not coming out, and gun is ready. This is it. This is it. Karcher is ready for the first work. Let's try to attach some equipment. That easy. This is ready to work. Let's add some water here. Here is the water. Click and it's ready. Now we need some electricity. Okay, this is practically it. Let's try to turn everything on and start the first test. All the preparation works are done. This is how the set looks like when it is ready. Water has been added. All the guns are in place. And here is the boom. Let's start to work. Okay, let's test in real work. Let's start with this one. Here is option to regulate from hard to soft. I will show you. Unfortunately, I don't have car here, which I promised, but I have grass and some wood where I will show you how it is working. Okay, at first, this is the gun. Here is attachment. I have. This is the soft version. Works the same as gun, and I turn it 90 degrees, and this is ready for work. You can see you can cut some grass. Cleaning something. Of course, in car wash services there are more powerful tools, but this is quite okay. Not the strongest one which I have seen, but it is working. Let's try other one. This is rotating one. And this is more powerful, more effective than the first one. And this is also making some more damage to the grass. More effective. So for the car it should work perfect. And for other home use purpose. Don't put your fingers under this. It hurts. And here I have some also good news. There are old version of Karcher attachment. It has a bit different this part, but good news is that it fits on the new gun. And also I have tested them well And let's quickly also see by yourself how these old versions are working. Here is the rotating gun, fitting very well, and let's go. And actually this old gun feels more powerful than the new rotating gun, so this is really good for me that I didn't put them in the trash. Okay, and let's see other one. This also makes a bit more powerful stripe stream. So everything is working at 120 bars, and these attachments are at least 20 years old, so this is quite good. And at the last, let's test if old gun fits to the new hose. Other stuff working very well. Only thing that the old gun doesn't look like fitting here, but that's not the most important thing. Tested everything and everything is working well, looking quite good for only 120 euros for Kärcher K3. And yes, this is the finish of our test. I hope you got your information. Let's put everything back in place and finish our test. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I hope information was good for you. Thank you. Goodbye.